Have you ever felt trapped? No way forward, and the past closing in behind you. Remember the Israelites when they got to the Red Sea? Fear in front of them and the enemies behind them. But then God spoke to Moses and he parted the Red Sea and they were able to walk through on dry ground. The same power still works wonders in our time today. What looks impossible for man is possible with God. Your Red Sea could be fear, delay, finances, sickness, uncertainty. The same God who parted the Red Sea is still making a way. God is still moving mountains. Trust Him. I'm Nina, and this is Minute with Jesus.